My name is Daniel Subulford, you are 15CS304. Today we're doing experiment number 7 of the compiler lab. So what we have done here is this is an experiment 7. Uh, Here we have protected array and protected int. We have two of them, and then we are entering the values for it. And then this is the push function, which will push one elements into the array, and then pop and then display. These are the three functions out here. Then the main thing is the parser. The parser over here, parser has the transitions, the alphabet alpha. We enter the number of terminals, number of non-terminals, uh, starting non-terminal and the grammar, and we enter each and every terminal simultaneously, like the whole table. Uh, of the passing table, we are going to enter one by one. So if there's nothing, we're gonna enter null. But this is the for loop which helps us put everything into the array. And similarly, we enter the non. Okay, these are the terminals. Okay, fine. Sorry, the terminals over here, and these are the non-terminals that we enter. For epsilon, we use at the rate. So now we enter the entries of the transition table over here. So we enter one by one. Whatever is red, that is put over there. If it is null, put it as capitals and NULL. And over here now we are displaying the table that we have created after getting all the values. That is 30 values in typing. We display the transition table over there, and then we give input to the parser. We have to end it with these two characters over here. So we get the input from the user, and then we make sure that the index is 0, and now through the while loop we check whether the index we check each and every character at the index, and then we process it. Index 1 is equal to alphabet dot index of char 1. The char 1 is over here, and similarly if the transition of index 2 to index 1 not equal to null, then is equal to null, sorry, if it is equal to null, the string is not accepted, and else it will be accepted. So we do this push and pop functions which is there in the experiment 7, and then if it still continues, then that means the passing is completed successfully, and it can ask you whether you want to continue doing another one or not. Else, the thing will be stopped over here saying that the given string is not accepted. So we have actually run the program. This is my terminal window over here. I couldn't type everything on the video. So over here we have 6 terminals, 5 non-terminals, and the starting terminal is E. A plus into bracket open bracket close and dollar are the terminals, and the other ones are the non-terminals are EATBF. Um, for epsilon, we are using a, so at the rate, so e is equal to ta null null. These are all worked out in the notebook, and we are continuing over here. So e is equal to ta null null, e is equal to ta null null, and these are the row entries for the transition table. After which we get this beautiful transition table over here. We have to give input to the parser. So now end your input with this. I put a plus a into a and dollar hash, and as you can see the stack dollar and a, it puts the ta, so ta comes over here, and a fb, so fba comes here, a and similarly the input is plus over here, and the input is a, the current input it shows. So a was done over here, then plus came, then a came, and these are the outputs that come into a, and then dollar ba, the stack is ba, so epsilon comes, so b becomes epsilon, a is left, and epsilon comes, and dollar matches, and the passing is completed. So this is a simple example for the uh, parsing table, and thank you for watching.